Yes guys, welcome back for another DIY video. In this video we're going to change the cabin filter to my Hyundai Tucson. This is a really easy bit of maintenance and no tools are required. Once your glove box is empty, there's two little stoppers on the left and the right. The glove box should just fall down like this. The cabin filter is housed within this little box here, and to gain access you just have to pinch the corner of the door. For the replacement filter, I'm going to use a genuine one from Hyundai. Make a note of that little arrow there that says airflow. So the new filter will have to go in the same way as that. Just pinch the old filter and pull it out like this. And as you can see, this one's pretty gross. It's got dust, leaves and a few years of debris in there. To be honest, don't really want to be breathing that in every day. New filter goes straight in. Now I'm just replacing the door to the cabin filter housing. And the only thing left to do is replace these little stoppers in the glove box. And then your glove box will return to the normal position. Wow, this one is black with dust and debris. It's got leaves and all sorts in there. And for more DIY maintenance videos, subscribe to the channel. It's completely free.